a lot of you have already seen our apparel range, and a lot of you have already bought our shirts and jackets, and thank you for that. I hope you're enjoying them. There's 2014 range of clothing about to come in, and there's some extra things like this beautiful new vintage jacket with the Indian logo across the back. It's absolutely lovely leather, like all of our products, beautiful and soft. Internally lined with this magnificent quilted lining to keep you warm, or you can use it as a casual jacket, of course. So more and more of this type of clothing will become available. We look forward to seeing you in here.